In the heart of the city, the Hummingbird Corporation buzzed with energy as employees went about their daily routines. The office was alive with the hum of computers, the chime of notifications, and the murmur of conversations. Amidst this hive of activity, two friends sat side by side, Marie and Jack, whose bond had grown over their years working together. Marie was an insightful marketing strategist, always brimming with fresh ideas, and Jack, the techie genius, known for his quick wit and problem-solving skills. Marie, have you seen the latest feedback from our clients? Jack asked, his eyes lighting up as he tapped away on his keyboard. He had a knack for getting to the core of any issue, and Marie admired his dedication. Marie looked up from her notebook, a thoughtful expression on her face. Yes, Jack. I was just thinking about how we can improve our next campaign. Maybe we should incorporate more personalized content, she suggested, her voice tinged with excitement. As they brainstormed together, their colleagues nearby couldn't help but notice their chemistry. Emma, the ever-observant HR manager, leaned over and whispered to Lucas, the graphic designer. Do you think they realize how perfect they are for each other? Lucas chuckled, adjusting his glasses. If only they'd stop talking about work for 5 minutes and see what's right in front of them, he replied, a knowing smile on his face. Meanwhile, the office buzz continued. Raj, the project manager, was in a heated discussion with Lily, the sales lead. Raj, you know our clients need these reports by end of day. Lily exclaimed, her eyes fiery with determination. Raj, ever the calm diplomat, nodded in agreement. Don't worry, Lily. I have got this under control. We will meet the deadline, he assured her, his steady demeanor bringing a sense of calm to the conversation. Back at Jack and Marie's desk, the brainstorming session was winding down. Marie's eyes sparkled with an idea. Jack, let's grab a coffee and take a break from all this, she suggested, hoping to shift the focus away from work for a moment. Jack smiled, pleased by the invitation. Sounds great. We could use a breather, he agreed, standing up and stretching. As they walked to the cafe downstairs, their conversation drifted from work to personal stories about their lives, dreams, and aspirations. Their laughter filled the air, and a sense of ease settled between them. You know, Marie, Jack began, hesitating slightly, I have always admired your creativity and passion. You are truly inspiring. Marie blushed, her heart fluttering. Thank you, Jack. Your support means a lot to me. I have always felt lucky to have you as a friend and colleague.